Namaste, nice to meet you. I'm MiJung Yoon from Suwon Mangpo Elementary School of South Korea. I'm the instructor who will introduce you for ICT tools such as Kahoot, Padlet, Mentimeter, and Quiver. I'll do my best to help you to use various ICT tools in your class. Let's check the contents. First, Kahoot. Second, Padlet. Third, Mentimeter. Fourth, Quiver. I'll explain what these tools are and how to use them. You already learned about the theory of ICT lesson plan. I will explain 4 ICT tools based on TIM introduction. There are 5 characteristics of the learning environment. Today, I will make a connection with 4 characteristics with ICT tools. Kahoot with active learning, Padlet with collaborative learning, Mentimeter with constructive learning, Quiver with authentic learning. Okay, let's start with Kahoot. As I mentioned, Kahoot is very useful on active learning environment. By using Kahoot, students are actively engaged in using technology as a tool rather than passively receiving information from the technology. With Kahoot, you can make various types of quiz easily, and students can study and solve the quiz by their phone anytime, anywhere. Let's learn how to sign up for Kahoot. Search Kahoot on Google, click the first one, and click the sign up for free. Click Teacher, click School button, and there are 3 options, and I recommend to sign up with Google because it's the easiest way. Click the basic free button. You can use Kahoot for free, but if you want more technology, you have to pay some money to Kahoot. Enter your name, type your country, and enter the school name. Then save and continue. Okay. After signing up, let's check out how to use Kahoot. In Kahoot, you can use the many quiz that the other teachers already made for you. So I'm searching for English vocabulary keys, and I chose this one. And click edit to edit this quiz by myself. Continue to edit. Duplicate to edit. Then you can change this quiz by yourself. Save to draft. After saving this quiz, you can find this quiz in your library. Then I want to make my own quiz. Click the create button and click the new Kahoot button and enter the question here. And searching for the image. What's this? This is rabbit. And write down the options. Rabbit, lion, camel, mouse. And the answer is yes, rabbit. Click add question, and there are many types of question you can make. I'll choose true or false type. The question is in English. Namaste is goodbye, and the answer is false because namaste means hello. So this is the answer. And click the add question to make more questions. The question number 3 is what's this? And you can see the images have the star. These images with star you can't use for free. You have to pay. So I chose the free GIF, and the answer is lion. And you can change the time limit. If the question is too easy, you have to lower the time limit. And points, you can change points. Standard points, double points. If the question is difficult, you have to give more points to your students. And if you are done, click the done button and enter the title of the quiz. And click the continue button and save the drafts. After saving this quiz, you can search this quiz in your library. In the library, click the English keys, and there are play button and edit button. Click the play button and click the teach button. Then there are two modes, classic mode and team mode. The classic mode is good for you. Kahoot gives you the game pin. You have to memorize this game pin and share this game pin to your students. This game pin is very important. Without this game pin, your students can't solve your quiz. And now let's check how your students have to do. They need smartphone. Search Kahoot in Play Store, and they have to download this application. After downloading Play this application, you have to sign up, but your students don't need to sign up. Click the student button. Click enter their age. And to play your quiz, students have to click the square button under the monitor. Okay, now they have to enter the game pin. You have to share the game pin to your students. Okay. Enter the nickname. And students are in your quiz. You have to click the start button to make your students solve your questions. I will show you after this one. I let them in and they can answer to my question, but they can't see the rabbit picture and the options on their phone. They can see the images and question and options on their class TV. You have to show them. Teacher need to show the question and the options. With the student's phone, they just can choose the answer. After solving the question, Kahoot gives you the ranking of your class. And now I will show you how the teachers have to do. Press the start button. Then your students can answer to your question, and you have to show this monitor on your class TV. Students watch this one, and they have to click the answer on their phone. You can see the ranking of the class. With this result, you can feedback to your students. Okay, let's move on to Padlet. This tool is effective to make collaborative learning environment. By using Padlet, students use technology tools to collaborate with others rather than working individually at all times. What is Padlet? Padlet is a very useful tool to share information and opinion with your students. It's like a big memo pad shared with your class. By using this tool, you and your students can upload any writings, pictures, videos on the pad. It's efficient to organize and categorize students' opinions, experiences, and knowledges. First, you need to search Padlet on the internet. Although teacher has to sign up to use Padlet, but students don't need to sign up. Click sign up for free. You can use Padlet for free, but the free version only provide 5 working pages. So if you want to make more Padlet, pay some money per month. There are 3 options to sign up. I recommend to sign up with Google. It's quite easy to use. After finishing sign up to Padlet, now let's check out how to use Padlet. It's the basic and the most useful type, the wall type. Change the title and description. Write the detailed explanation on description box to help students. You can change the design of wallpaper. There are many designs you can choose. I chose the sea design of the ocean because today's lesson is about octopus. Teacher can modify attribution, new post, position, comments, the type of reactions. Click the plus button to write down new postings. Students can write down their opinions, explanations, informations, experiences, anything in here, and they can upload pictures with this camera button. And you can share this page with your students. And click the copy to clipboard button. Then students can use this web address anywhere, and they don't need to sign up. They just need this web address. Then they can access to this page. Let's learn about how to utilize Padlet in your class with some examples. First, this is the example of the shelf type Padlet. As you can see, this type is useful to categorize. This type is efficient for group activity. Make the shelves and set the titles of the shelves for the name of groups. Second, this is the example of the map type Padlet. Teacher can use this type to social class. By using this, students can easily organize their informations and opinions on the map and see the others at a glance. Third, Mentimeter is waiting for you. Mentimeter is the exact tool for constructive environment. By using Mentimeter, students use technology tools to connect new information to their prior knowledge rather than to passively receive information. As you can see, this tool helps you to do learner-centered lesson. It supports teacher together and shows students background knowledge easily by effective graph and design. First, let's sign up for Mentimeter. Search Mentimeter on Google. Click the first one and click the sign up button. I recommend to sign up with Google because this is easy, but if you have an ID of Facebook, you can sign up with Facebook. Click the education button, click the teacher button, and save selection. Click the training or educating button and save selection. You can use Mentimeter for free, but if you want more, you have to pay some money to Mentimeter. Okay, after signing up, let's check out how to use Mentimeter. Before checking out, there are 6 types of presentation you can make in Mentimeter: multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, Q&A. I usually use multiple choice and word cloud, so I will show the examples how to make multiple choice and word cloud presentation. First, let's check how to make word cloud presentation. Create new presentation, enter the title of the presentation. What's the most favorite food? Is the title. And there are 6 types of presentation. I will choose word cloud. You can change entries per participant. Then if you are done, click the present button. And you have to copy this link and share this link to your students. Then the students don't need to sign up, just they put the link in the box and answer the question. Students answer the question here. and submit it. Then teachers can check these answers. And now I'll show you how to use multiple choice presentation. Okay, multiple choice presentation. Write down the question and write down the options: spring, summer, fall, winter, and click the present button and copy the link and share the link to your students. And students put the link on the box and they answer to your question. They submit their answer and you can check the graph in the Mentimeter. For the last one, let's check out what is Quiver. Quiver is the useful tool for authentic environment. What is Quiver? Look at this. Quiver is an application using AR technology to help students to study excitingly. Using these tools, students can learn various things realistically. Let's check out how to use Quiver. Search Quiver Vision on Google and click the coloring packs. There are many coloring packs, so you can choose the free worksheets or you can choose the other worksheets, but the other worksheets have the condition, so I chose free worksheets. And print out the worksheets and give out to your students. And students have to color the worksheets. And so this tool also can be used in the art class. After finishing coloring, students are ready to use Quiver application. This is what your students have to do. They need smartphone. Download the Quiver application in Play Store. If they are ready, they have to press the butterfly button and make sure you can see the whole page on your phone. Then if it turned blue, it makes authentic realistic octopus on your eyes. You can see how the octopus moves, and you can change the color with this button. And you can also play games in this Quiver applications. And I will explain more about Quiver. With this button, you can change the color. With this button, you can see more information about octopus. With this button, you can play video about octopus. And with this button, you can play games with studying about octopus. This is the game. You can study prey of octopus and non-prey of octopus with this game. As you can see, after playing this game, students can learn about octopus more detailed information, and they can memorize easily by playing games. And the moving and video is very realistic, so this tool is very useful to make authentic and realistic environment for your students. Okay, next time you will learn about types how to use ICT tools in class. Zoom it, Windows 10 Connect URLs Shortener. This is MiJung Yoon. Thank you for watching. Bye.